In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email contact groups in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever needed to send the same message to a set of people, like a project team, a department, or a club, contact groups make it fast and consistent. A contact group, sometimes called a distribution list, is simply a saved list of email addresses under one easy name. As long as you already have the group created in your Outlook contacts, sending to everyone at once takes just a few clicks. Start by opening Outlook and creating a new message. You'll do that by selecting New Email, usually found at the top left of the Outlook window. This opens a blank message with fields for the recipients, the subject, and the body of your email. In the To field, begin typing the name of your contact group exactly as it's saved. Outlook will search your address book and show suggestions as you type. When you see your group appear in the suggestions, click it to select. You'll know it's recognized when the name is underlined or appears as a single unit in the To field. If you don't see it right away, add a few more letters or double-check the spelling. Make sure you choose the contact group, not an individual contact with a similar name. Now compose your message like you normally would. Add a clear subject line that tells recipients what the email is about at a glance. In the body, keep